you will have heard me say this before. You can have the most amazing business model and the killer strategy. If your mind is not in the right place, it will always sabotage your efforts. So let's talk about mindset. Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alisa, and this channel is dedicated to coaches who want to build financially viable coaching businesses. If that is you, please consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss any future content. This video is number 11 in a series called 12 Things You Need for a Successful Coaching Business. You'll find the link to the entire playlist in the description box below. Today's focus is on having the right mindset in order to succeed in your coaching business. What is mindset anyway? You might have heard the term, but if you're not familiar with it, mindset refers to the collection of thoughts and beliefs a person has, which in turn influence their attitude and the way they act, leading to particular results in their lives and in their businesses. The right mindset, in the context of today's video, is a mindset that doesn't stand in the way of reaching the goals you've set for your business. The results you see in your business will be heavily influenced by your beliefs about coaching as an industry, as an unregulated profession, about how much coaching as a service is worth, whether it's a luxury or a necessity, how much your clients are willing or can afford to pay, etc. This last one is something that comes up with my clients all the time, and I want to share with you my advice to them. Affordability is not something you should judge, because you are not the one buying your services. It is the client who pays, so let them decide what is affordable and what is not. I have worked with coaches who were worried that their clients couldn't afford their services even before they knew how much they were going to charge. That is the perfect example of a mindset issue. I wrote about it and other mistakes coaches make when setting their prices in an article. I'll link it below. Thoughts that are similar to the one I just mentioned can become paralyzing and quite damaging for your business. And sometimes we're not even aware of them, or we think that they are common sense. For example, many coaches say to me that they are not in it for the money. Money is not the goal, they just want to help people. I'm not saying money should be the goal, but when you disregard it as being unimportant, you are going to act like it doesn't matter, and you'll end up treating your business like a hobby. I talked more about this belief and other ones in a previous video, which I will link here and in the description box below. I do have a lot of content on this subject, and most of it is around money and pricing, as they seem to be more prominent, at least for the coaches I work with. So if you're interested in these two topics, I will link a couple more articles in the description box. One is about money mistakes to avoid as a coach, and the other is about pricing myths. If you're getting value from the video so far, I would appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you're inclined to leave a comment, that would make my day. It really helps to support the channel, and I thank you in advance if you do. Okay, now that you know more about the subject, and perhaps you have uncovered some beliefs of your own that you know you need to address, how do you improve your mindset? The first step is awareness, which hopefully you already have to some degree. Once you've identified the thoughts and beliefs you wish to work on, go deeper on where they come from. What is causing them? Go as deep as you can until you identify what is sometimes called the origin story. It can be something that happened in your childhood or something recent that has triggered a thought. The next step is to question the truth behind that thought and to think of ways to reframe the situation, to see it with different eyes, from a different perspective. Now, this work would be best done with the help of a coach or a therapist if you're dealing with deep-rooted trauma. Whatever you choose, know that mindset work takes time, and it's likely to be a lifelong learning experience. And that is because every time your business reaches a new level, there will be other thoughts and beliefs that you'll need to work on to allow you to move on to the next level, and so on. I might film a separate video on this in the future. I'm still deciding, because mindset work is so specific to each person that I'm not sure how it could be condensed into a general video. However, I do have a video about dealing with imposter syndrome, and if that's of interest, you can watch it here, and I'll also link it below. And that is number 11 on the list of 12 things you need for a successful coaching business: the right mindset. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'm Alisa, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.